Okay, I've got a great power thought for you today by the late, great Zig Ziglar. And Zig says that when obstacles arise, you change your direction to reach your goal. You do not change your decision to get there. Isn't that absolutely powerful? You see, obstacles are those pesky little things that come to prevent us, to deter us from getting the things done that we want and even need to get done. That's what they are, pesky little things, okay? But don't let them stop you from doing whatever it is that you need to do. All right, just know what the situation is. Okay, it's an obstacle. That's what they come for. But don't let them stop you. Don't let them deter you from getting what you need to get done. Okay, keep moving forward. All right, in the direction of your desired outcome. See, what is it that you want? What is it that you want to achieve? What is it that you want to accomplish? That's your focus, all right? You know, adversity is something that we go through. Adversity, obstacles, okay, is something that we go through from time to time, all right? But it's important to put adversity, to put obstacles, to put difficulties, setbacks, etc. in perspective. Know this, okay, that adversity is necessary to help in building character. Trouble is necessary to help in building character. Setbacks, okay, will help you to build character. The idea is to be determined that you are not going to let those things, okay, stop you from being and doing everything that you are supposed to do and supposed to be. Get that? Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Now, you may be experiencing some difficulty right now, some struggles, some trouble today. But think about what you are becoming in the process. Okay? You're building character. You're becoming a stronger person, okay, as a result of the trouble and the difficulty that you're going through. Think about the strength that is being developed in you for the tomorrows of your life. Okay. Now, there's another wonderful quote that I want to share with you, another powerful thought. And it is this: strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. When obstacles arise, you change your direction to reach your goal. You do not change your decision. You be blessed. Bye-bye.